if you're like me and you want to film in different aspect ratios, you know, normally I'm in 16:9 like this video is here. And then every now and then I want to do a vertical video, which is 9:16. And I don't know if you know this about GoPros, but they automatically film like that. And then when you put them on their side, they film kind of like holding your cell phone in the vertical mount. Well, I wanted to be able to film that and have a mount for that. And what I had come across was one of these little things. Check this out. So this is the HSU 90-degree aluminum vertical mount. I have had this out and already put it to the use. Put it back in the box for, you know, the purpose of this video here. But check it out. So it looks just like this, taken out of the package. It was in this little plastic wrap there. And then what they did, they gave you an Allen key and 2 screw mounts, which looks to be a 1/4 20, but I didn't need those because what I have is just the normal GoPro mount. So let me show you how this thing works. By the way, this is a GoPro 8, the smaller one, and here is the GoPro Hero 11, and we'll use the 11 first. So to mount this thing, very, very simple. You see how it's mounted right there? They have a little padding that's right here. And what this is, see, I'll put one and then get the mount right here, tighten that down. Now this is where it's cool, see, just like this. So when I mount this in here like this, that is 100% vertical video now. And what I did was just use a couple of these little thumb screw mounts, just like this. By the way, it's kind of a long screw down. There it is. It is tightened down in there. And you see how that works? That I could put on a bike, on a car, a helmet, or just whatever. And then look at this. If you ever, that is a actual 1/4 20 mount that I can mount it like that right there if I want to. Very cool that they had that. This, it feels extremely well made. And then it's got a little padding right there so it doesn't get a rattle. And reason is because GoPros are notorious for picking up rattling. And then check it out with the GoPro 8. So this will let you know it will work with from even the smaller GoPros. You just won't have it touching the base right there. You see that? So that's the 8 in there, and now there's a little bit of a gap, so it's not going to rattle at all either, and it works just as good. So yeah, this is something I recommend for pretty much any type of content creator that wants to have, you know, a little bit more flexibility with their aspect ratios in the recording. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the HSU 90-degree vertical mount. See you all in the next video.